Hey guys, what's up? It's Gaspar, and in this quick video, I'm gonna get into the topic of telling you whether you should pay for credit repair or not. Really, plain and simple. I get a lot of people that say sometimes, oh, you could fix credit yourself. Why would I pay somebody to do it? Well, let me just go ahead and kill that part right now, just to begin with. Every day in this world, people pay others to do things that they can do themselves. Right? Now, what it really comes down to is the specialized knowledge and how important it is to resolve something for you and the specialized knowledge that you have. So if I was a mechanic and I know exactly how to fix cars, I know exactly how to take an engine apart, put it back together, I have all the time in the world to be able to get it done, then guess what? I wouldn't take my car to the mechanic shop, right? Makes sense? So the exact same thing goes for every other thing. Credit repair is no different. Let's just say another example. I get in trouble with the law and I get arrested, I get bonded out, then I got to go to trial, right? And I have the right to hire an attorney. But let's say that I'm an expert in laws. I know all the laws. I know how to get out of the trouble in the situation that I'm in. Well, guess what? I guess I won't hire an attorney. Credit repair is no different. If you have all the specialized knowledge as a credit professional and a credit attorney has, and you have all the time in the world to be able to put together all the disputes, factors, and letters and get them sent out and then rewrite them again for the next dispute session and send it out again. If you have all the specialized knowledge and all the time in the world, by all means, don't pay anybody. Do it yourself. But for most people nowadays, we live a very busy life. And most people don't have that specialized knowledge of exactly how to get rid of things on their credit, right? I mean, heck, people weren't even taught about credit in school. What makes you think they were taught how to remove delinquent accounts? So if you fall into the category where you live a busy life and your credit to you is important enough to where a minor investment to pay a professional to make sure it's done correctly doesn't bother you, then yes, go ahead, pay for credit repair. It's no different from paying a professional for any other service that you would go out and get. A lot of ladies out there, why do you go ahead and pay somebody to get your nails done when you can just learn how to get your nails done yourself? Just do them, right? Well, again, I think I've already summed up with all the examples. Credit repair is no different. And that's my honest opinion on, whether you should go ahead, pay for credit repair, or should you not? And if you're not sure if your debts are, how would I put it? If they're worthy of hiring a legal team to go ahead and prepare the letters for you and get it sent out or not, just reach out to me. I'll be very honest, very transparent. We'll take a look at your credit report together. And if I feel that, you know what, this can get disputed very easily, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you very straight up, hey, listen, don't worry about paying a legal team. I'll just give you a few tips and tricks on how to get rid of this, and that's it. Go up off your way. I have plenty of clients. I'm not in a need to swindle anybody into thinking that they need the service when they really don't. So that's my 2 cents on whether you should pay for credit repair or not. If you want to go ahead and get your credit fixed, don't hesitate. Reach out to me. Appreciate you guys. Have a great day.